Reduce rental vacancies. Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management, managing rentals in the Manawatu in the Taurua region. The DIY landlord's ultimate time leverage tool. Are you a landlord who prefers to manage your rental properties? Have you considered using a casual letting agent to simplify your life? Here are 6 reasons why a casual letting service might be your ideal solution. They'll advertise your property. Letting agents use professional marketing strategies, attracting more potential tenants, taking great photos, and 3D tours to portray the best of your rental. They'll find the right tenants. A top letting agent excels in tenant sourcing. They can quickly find and vet reliable tenants, saving time and effort. They'll also conduct background and credit checks and screen all applications. Number 3, leverage off the experts. An expert letting agent prepares a robust tenancy agreement that underpins your entire rental business. Getting this foundation right is crucial. It's like a master builder ensuring a house stands strong for years to come. And they'll offer a tenancy to your preferred tenants. And when I mean preferred tenants, tenants that the agent's spoken to you about and you've chosen on merit. Schedule signing of documentation and secure funds, including bond and rent in advance. They'll prepare a tenancy agreement and other documentation in your name, including bond lodgements, and read over tenancy documentation with tenants before signing. 5, legal compliance is made easy. You'll be updated with any changes to rental regulations, and compliances will be declared in the tenancy agreement, reducing the risk of costly legal mistakes. And number 6, maximize rental income. You'll be given market insights for optimum rents, and quicker turnover between tenants means fewer vacancies. So, once a new tenant has been secured and you've received all documentation, you return to managing your rental. Always Property Management has saved landlords countless hours of time and financial costs with our affordable letting service. Casual letting is a smart choice for landlords who self-manage and want to leverage their time and expertise of a professional letting agent. Hey, I hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. Making life easier for landlords is what we do.